If your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC keeps looping into automatic repair, couldn't repair your PC, don't panic, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you 5 proven methods you can use to fix this problem directly from the recovery environment. These are simple, step-by-step fixes anyone can try. Let's get right into it. First, to access the recovery menu, force restart your PC 3 times. Just hold the power button until it shuts down and repeat the process. After the third restart, you should see the advanced startup screen appear. This is where all the magic happens. Method 1. Run startup repair. From the menu, choose troubleshoot, then advanced options, and select startup repair. Windows will now scan for boot issues and attempt to repair them automatically. If this works, awesome, you're back in. If it doesn't, continue to the next method. Method 2. Restore the registry using command prompt. Still in the advanced options menu, open command prompt. Here, we'll restore your registry files, which often get corrupted and cause this loop. You'll use a series of commands like cd, md, copy, and type to back up your current registry and replace it with a clean version stored by Windows. Just follow the commands exactly, and once the replacement is done, restart your computer to check if the issue is resolved. Method 3. Boot into safe mode. If the registry restore doesn't fix it, go back to troubleshoot, open advanced options, choose startup settings, and click restart. When your PC reboots, press F4 to boot into safe mode. Safe mode loads only essential drivers. From here, simply restart your PC normally. Many times, this simple cycle breaks the repair loop. Method 4. Run check disk. If you're still stuck, return again to command prompt and run chkdsk/f/rc:. This scans your disk for errors and repairs them. This step can take time, but it's extremely effective for fixing drive-related issues that trigger automatic repair errors. Once this completes, restart your system. Most users find their PC boots normally after this. And that's it. By following these 5 methods, force restart, startup repair, registry restore, safe mode, and check disk, your Windows 10/11 device should finally break free from the automatic repair loop. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.